Okay, so we're here in the browser, and basically we are going to be coding on REPL-IT. Okay, so if you go to replit.com, or not .com, repl.it, this is where you'll be. And so this website is really great for C and C++. So currently there is no C and C++ compiler on Azure using VS Code in the browser. So this is a good alternative, lightweight alternative for C and C++. Okay, so basically what they're calling kind of like a repository or a project is a REPL. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and click New REPL once you're logged in. Okay, and you're going to choose your programming language, in this case C. Name your REPL. And create REPL. Okay, now I've kind of set this up here. So what it looks like when you first logged in is something that looks like this. Okay, now if we look here, so this cat OS release, so this is actually Ubuntu here. So basically what you've got is you've got a virtual machine running in Ubuntu that's being piped into a browser. And it's really, really, really useful. Okay, so if we go back to stacked, then we close that. And then we can look at our files as well. Okay, so we can also just it has this kind of like it's like a console. If you want to open up a regular console, you can go oops, that's not it. If you can right click and do command palette here, I can't really see that well. Right click command palette, and then we can do open, and you can do open shell. Okay, and that way you have kind of more of a traditional looking shell here. So notice that you have your, you're in your side, your home directory, and then you're in the name of the project. So in this case, if we click run, it has kind of its own thing. It uses Clang. If you want to use GCC, it also has GCC. So it's really great. So let's say that we want to, it gives us our main.c here. So if we wanted to go ahead and compile our test file here, GCC main.c. Okay, we can compile main and list, see that it's been compiled. So oddly enough, it's set up not to show main.c, or sorry, it's set up to not show main in the files list. When you compile other file names, it will show up over here. And then we can go ahead and run main. Okay, so REPL is a really great way to run C and C++ in the browser. Best of luck.